When companies choose a CRM, they usually focus on the wrong things. They compare features, automation, integrations, AI, but a CRM is not a collection of features. A CRM is a system to store, structure, and exploit information so a company can operate more simply. Everything else is optional. That's why choosing a CRM should never start with features, it should start with fundamentals. I like to think about these decisions as a pyramid of CRM needs. You can't skip levels, and if the foundation is weak, everything above it will fail. CRM Needs Pyramid. Each level answers one question only, and if the answer is no, you don't move up. Most companies start at the top when they should start at the bottom. Can this CRM represent how my business actually works? This is the most important question and the one most companies never ask. Before features, before automation, you must check whether the CRM can represent your reality. It means that can the CRM represent your core business objects? Can it represent the relationships between them? Can it support how value flows before, during, and after the sales? Here are some concrete examples: sales plus account management, renewals, upsells, cross-sells, long sales cycles with multiple stakeholders. If you constantly need workarounds just to model this, it's an immediate red flag. If the data model doesn't fit your business, nothing else matters. So if you have one question to ask yourself is, can this CRM reflect our reality without us bending our processes to fit the tool? The second level of this pyramid is the data quality and governance. Can we keep data clean, consistent, and reliable? Let's assume that data model fits. The next risk is not functional, it's operational discipline. The core idea is that a powerful CRM with bad data is worse than a simple CRM with clean data, because bad data spreads. It corrupts reporting, automation, and mostly decision making. And what this level really checks is, can the CRM support mandatory fields where needed, clear ownership of data, duplicate management, reliable history? If the answer is no and you need it, trust will disappear over time. And once trust is gone, the CRM becomes optional. In order to move on to the next level, you need to ask yourself this question: at our scale, can we realistically keep this data clean?
If you're watching this and thinking, oh, that actually makes sense, but I would like a clear way to apply this to my company, that's exactly why I created the ultimate guide of choosing the perfect CRM for your business. It's not theory, it's not a comparison tool, it's a free practical guide that will help you understand what your business needs from a CRM, identify which type of CRM fits perfectly your situation, and reduce the risk of fail during migration or implementation. It's really designed to turn reflection into decision, so if you want to access it for free, you can find it in the description below. Alright, let's continue.
Can this CRM grow with us? Now we look forward. You're not choosing a CRM for today, you're choosing it for the next 2-3 years at least. And what this level is about is not about features, it's about structure. Can we add new processes? Can we support more teams? Can we handle more complex reportings? Can permissions evolve? You don't need all of this now, but the CRM must support it without a full rebuild. If level 1 and 2 are solid, scaling is structural question, not a tooling one. So the question to ask to validate this level is, will this CRM grow with us or will we hit a ceiling? Do features simply work or are they just nice to have? Only now do features matter and only core ones. Because in a CRM, features don't create value, structure does. As long as the data model is solid, the data is clean, the system is scalable, and you can always add features later, connecting specialized tools and extend the CRM through APIs. What belongs here is pipeline management, task management, email tracking, basic automation, and that's it. And what should not belong in this stage is newsletters, social media, advanced marketing, AI. There are always layers you can plug on later. If your data is structured and reliable, features are always replaceable. So to validate this level, does this feature reduce daily friction or just look impressive in a demo? Can this CRM be extended cleanly? This is the top of the pyramid and the most overrated one. As long as a CRM has API, actually almost everything is possible. Integration don't make a CRM good, they make a good CRM more powerful. And what integration should do? It should extend a solid core, connect specialized tools if needed, avoid duplication. And what we should not do is compensate for a bad data model, fix messy data and hide poor structural choices. So the final question to ask yourself is, are integration extending a strong foundation or compensating for a weak one? Most companies choose a CRM from the top of the pyramid. They start with features, automation, integration, when they should start at the bottom, which is data model, data quality, scalability, because if the foundation is solid, everything else is solvable. You can always add features, you can connect tools, you can evolve processes, but you can't fix a broken core. That's why the same CRM can be incredibly powerful for one company and a complete disaster for another. The difference isn't the tool, it's how the decision was made.
As I mentioned earlier in this video, if you want to go one step further and actually apply this to your company, I put together the ultimate guide of choosing the perfect CRM for your business. It's a free, practical guide, not theory, with clear questions and exercises to help you understand what you really need from a CRM, identify which type of CRM fits your situation, and reduce the risk of fail for migration and implementation. So if you're in the middle of a CRM decision or you know one is coming, I'm pretty sure you will find it useful, so don't hesitate to access it for free in the description below. It was Greg, I wish you a great day and see you next week.